Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? There's a leading prop firm empowering traders worldwide with instant funding, flexible accounts, and industry-leading support. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Trusted Prop, where we make your trading experience easier by reviewing 400 plus prop firms so that you can decide which one best suits your trading style. Also, to make the video more engaging, we have hidden 10 secret coupon codes throughout the video. If you find all of them, don't forget to send them to us at the support@thetrustedprop.com and avail free prizes like discounts or a $50,000 free account. Today, we are breaking down one of the most affordable prop firms in the market right now, VMasterTrade. They are gaining attention in the market with instant funding, low entry fees, payouts on demand, and profit splits up to 90%. But like they say, not all prop firms are perfect. If they are, then something's doubtful about it. Stick around because we'll be diving deep into the challenges, rules, payouts, process, pros and cons, and the Trusted Prop's final verdict at the end. Let's get started and master the truth about the VMasterTrade. VMasterTrade is located in Vancouver and has been operating since 2020. Their aim is to provide funded trading to everyone, from beginner traders to experienced professionals seeking to grow capital quickly. They provide account sizes from $10,000 up to $200,000 with a scaling plan up to $1 million. Profit splits ranges from 50% up to 90% depending on your account type and performance. And there's something beneficial for traders: on demand payouts. Forget waiting, get funded instantly. You can withdraw your winnings at any time through bank transfer, crypto, or PayPal. Before getting into the depths of the challenges, let's look at what makes VMasterTrade stand out and where it can do better. Pros: low entry fees starting at just $45, instant funding, two-phase challenge options, get paid on demand, withdraw profits whenever you want to, supports EA, copy trading, and even weekend holding, multiple payout options including crypto and PayPal. Cons: broker transparency is very low, not made public. You don't get any refund of challenge fees even if you pass. Static drawdown rules may be restrictive, scaling with a limit of $1 million. Certain models have consistency rules which might be unappealing for freedom-loving traders. All in all, the pros and cons are fair enough for a company that begins at $45 and offers on-demand withdrawal. VMasterTrade offers two challenges, an instant funding program and a two-phase challenge. Both of them are flexible with affordable fees. You don't lose much from your pocket. The instant funding challenge provides traders with immediate access to capital without the need to prove themselves. Choose an account between $10,000 to $200,000.
Challenge fees start at $78.
While there is no profit target to achieve, make sure you don't lose more than 5% daily and 10% overall. Why choose instant funding? Immediate access to a funded trading account, no minimum trading days required, payouts on demand with flexible trading rules, ideal for scalpers and day traders who require capital in a hurry. Now, for traders who prefer a slightly traditional style challenge, the two-phase challenge would be the right pick. The fees are very affordable, starting at just $50. Here, you'll go through two evaluation stages, achieve profit targets in two phases, 8% in phase 1 and 6% in phase 2. Do not exceed more than 5% daily drawdown and 10% maximum drawdown. Why choose the two-phase challenge? Lower entry cost starting at just $45, structure-based evaluation for the disciplined traders, higher maximum scaling allocation, great for swing traders who are looking for long-term funded accounts. Now that the challenges have been explained, let's discuss the freedom to trade, and the best part is VMasterTrade offers lots of it. What is allowed? Copy trading, EAs, news trading, weekend holding. Prohibited: hedging across accounts, gambling, or high risk grade martingale strategy. If you are a responsible trader practicing good risk management, you are good to go. Alright, let's discuss what all traders truly care about: getting paid. Regardless of how decent the trading conditions are, If the payout process is slow or limiting, that's a red flag, right? Most prop firms will have you wait for your payout, but VMaster Trade puts the ability to withdraw profits at your fingertips. That means as soon as you secured profits, you can withdraw, no waiting until the end of the month. Payouts can be processed via bank transfer, crypto or PayPal. The best part, if you are consistent and profitable, VMaster Trade treats you with account scaling up to $1 million in trading capital. Due to regulatory restrictions and requirements, VMaster Trade cannot accept traders from the following countries: Cuba, Lebanon, Syria, North Korea, Libya, Russia, Sudan, Somalia, South Sudan, Belarus, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, Nicaragua, Venezuela, Yemen, United States of America. If you are from the following countries, you cannot sign up or trade with VMaster Trade. VMaster is a credible prop firm with a solid 8.5 according to the trusted prop, based on company background 8.6, challenge rules 8.4, user ratings 8.8, slippage 8.2, TTP score 8.3. Our verdict: VMaster Trade provides a balance of affordability and flexibility, instant funding and two-phase challenges, profit splits as high as 90% with payouts on demand makes it easier for traders seeking fast trading capital. They offer multiple assets and the freedom to trade as per the trader's preferences. That's all that matters in a prop firm. All in all, VMaster Trade is decent and affordable for those who want to pursue professional funded trading. With that, we have reached the end of the video. Does VMaster Trade appeal to your trading style? Comment below. For more videos, stay tuned to the Trusted Prop, your go-to source for the prop firm reviews. Like and share the video with your trader friends and subscribe for more real-time content on 400 plus prop firms. See you all in the next video.